simple past tense. Use of be verb in simple past tense is was and were. What is simple past tense? Action started in the past and completely ended in the past. So formation of verb for simple past is for regular verb, verb plus ed. Example, talk plus ed, talked. Spelling change. If the verb ends consonant, vowel, consonant, then double the end consonant and add ed. Example, stop, stopped. stopped. If the verb ends wx or y, then add ed only. Fix, fixed. Play, played. If the verb ends or longer verb is traced and ends consonant, vowel, consonant, then double the last consonant. Example, prefer. F consonant, E vowel and R consonant. As it is a long pronunciation, prefer, preferred. So R double. PREFERRED, preferred. If first syllable is traced and the verb ends consonant, vowel, consonant, then add ed only. Open, opened. OPENED. If the verb ends e, then add d only. Thrive, thrived. If the verb ends consonant plus y, then change y to an I and add ed. CRY, cry. Y is changed to I and then cried. CRIED, cried. In case of irregular verbs, verb change with no rules that you have to learn only. Give, gave. Come, came. Formation of simple past tense sentences. Subject, verb to be, verb to have, verb to do. If the subject is singular, verb to be was, verb to have, had, verb to do, did. If the subject is plural, then verb to be wore, verb to have, had, verb to do, did. To form affirmative sentence, the structure is subject plus past simple verb plus object. He played cricket. If be verb is used, then they were intelligent. Negative sentence structure is subject plus did not plus base verb plus object. She did not cook food. In case of interrogative sentence, beginning of the sentence is did plus subject plus base verb plus object. Did you play football? This is the rule for formation of sentences in simple past tense. Please follow and share the video. Thank you.